Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. I am working on the next product for shipping to Amazon, and here we have some sugar-free vanilla wafers. I actually got these from a friend of mine. Um, and I did see a couple of different listings for these, and they sell in a 4-pack, but I just packaged up 2 to show you what it looks like, and I already have it pre-done. Again, you need your poly bag. You need your tape gun because it's going to not fit securely in there. I want to remind you that you can take those products and stick them back to back so that you don't have to cover those barcodes. You will need your sticker. This is the set stickers. And you will need, for this item, an expiration date. This isn't the actual expiration date on the product. And when you have your food products, when you're in the store, you need to make sure that you're checking those dates. These are going to expire too soon. You can't see it very well. These are going to expire too soon to be able to send them to Amazon. But for the sake of the video, we're going to pretend like this is the expiration date. Okay, so you can snug those up by putting them together. I already made the package. I got it nice in the poly bag, and make sure that you put on your FNSKU label, your expiration label. This has to be human readable. It doesn't necessarily have to be that big, but on this product, it only has to be human readable. We like to make ours nice and big so when they take it out of the package, out of the boxes, when they're unpacking them, that they can see it very quickly and they can do things a lot more efficiently that way. And then, of course, this is a set stickers. But if you turn it around, you can see that you cannot see the actual UPC code on the package. So this package would be ready to go along with the other one that we just made a minute ago, and I'll show you that when I'm done with all of the stuff that we have to ship out. I don't sell any of these products, but they're just used for example. So, all right, thank you.